Hey guys, I'm Will from Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers here in Ottawa. When you step into your bathroom first thing in the morning, what does the floor feel like? Cold tile that makes you jump, or something softer under your feet? Flooring might not be the flashiest part of the reno, but it changes the whole vibe. Vinyl, tile, whatever you choose, it makes a big difference. Let's run them down. Many people focus on tubs and showers first, but remember that bathroom flooring is just as important in a renovation because it affects safety, durability, comfort, and the overall look of the space. Proper flooring must withstand constant moisture, prevent slips, and tie the entire design together while holding up to daily wear and tear. Ceramic tile is called the Old Faithful of bathroom flooring because it's proven, reliable, water resistant, and durable, with a long track record of performing well in wet environments, while offering endless style options and easy maintenance, which makes ceramic tile a reliable option for Ottawa homeowners. For homeowners considering tile, I help them balance the pros, like durability, with the cons, like grout maintenance. By selecting the right tile size and finish, recommending high quality grout and sealers, and designing layouts that minimize grout lines while still achieving the desired look and performance. Vinyl has become really popular in recent years. I think the kind of household that would benefit most from vinyl flooring are busy families, homes with kids or pets, and anyone looking for a budget friendly, waterproof option that's comfortable under your feet and easy to maintain without sacrificing style. Natural stone is often seen as a luxury and choice. However, you should know that it requires regular sealing, more ongoing maintenance, and careful installation to protect against moisture, staining, and slipping before investing in it. Beyond cost, some key features homeowners weigh when choosing flooring include comfort under your feet, slip resistance, ease of maintenance, durability over time, moisture resistance, and how the material feels in everyday use, especially first thing in the morning or in high traffic bathrooms. If a homeowner feels stuck between style and practicality, the first thing I recommend they focus on to make the right choice is how the bathroom will actually be used day to day. Because understanding traffic, moisture levels, and maintenance expectations make it much easier to choose a floor that looks great and performs well long term. Your bathroom floor should feel as good as it looks. Ready to find yours? Check us out at bytownbath.com. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with anyone you know is thinking about upgrading their bathroom. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next episode.